If you want to find your affiliate links on Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to get the exact link you need, whether you want to promote someone else's product, to earn commissions, or you're a creator who wants to share your own affiliate portal link with partners. This is a quick tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you've been searching around Whop and can't figure out where your affiliate links are hiding. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's go through option A. This is for people who want to promote someone else's product or community on Whop and earn commissions from referrals. To start, log into your account at whop.com. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where Whop keeps most of its tools and settings. Find the Affiliates tab and click on it. That will take you into the affiliate area of your account. At the top of the page, make sure you are on the Refer Buyers view. This is important because it shows the section where you can discover affiliate opportunities and promotional programs. After that, click on the Affiliate Marketplace button. The marketplace is where you can browse all the available products and communities that allow affiliate promotion. Now you can scroll through the list or use the search feature to find a program you want to promote. If you already know the name of the product or community, searching is the fastest way to narrow it down. When you find the one you want, click Become Affiliate. This sends your request or joins you into the affiliate process, depending on the program settings. If approval is needed, you may have to wait until the creator accepts your request. Once you've been approved, go back to that product's listing and click View Assets. This is where Whop gives you the tools you need to promote the offer. Inside the Assets section, you'll see your unique generated tracking URLs. These are the affiliate links tied specifically to your account, so Whop can track your clicks and commissions correctly. To copy your link, find the Copy Link button right next to the tracking ID, and click it. That instantly copies your affiliate link, so you can paste it anywhere you want, in social media posts, DMs, email campaigns, YouTube descriptions, or wherever you promote products. And that's how you find affiliate links on Whop, if you're promoting someone else's offer. Now let's move on to option B. This one is for creators who want to share their own store's affiliate portal link. If you're running a Whop store and want to let partners, influencers, or community members join your affiliate program, this is the link they'll need. To do that, go directly to your Whop dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, look under the All Tools section and click Marketing. This is where Whop groups the promotional tools for your store. Once you're in Marketing, click on the Affiliate Portal tab along the top navigation row. That will open the affiliate portal settings for your store. Now look for the Portal Link option on the page. This is your main affiliate portal URL, the one you can send out to potential affiliates so they can sign up and promote your products. When you see it, simply click the Copy Link button to copy your unique affiliate portal link to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into your website, bio, email, Discord, or anywhere else you want to recruit new affiliates. So, just to recap, if you're promoting someone else's product, go to Affiliates, use the Affiliate Marketplace, become an affiliate, and then copy your tracking link from View Assets. If you're a creator, go to Marketing, open the affiliate portal, and copy your portal link so others can join your program. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Whop tutorials, software walkthroughs, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.